Hello and welcome to Sethioz Reviews. So this here is supposed to be a smart switch which got a little bit smushed in the delivery, as you can see. I don't know why delivery guys have to like throw stuff and always like, smush it. So that's an EU blog. This is also available in UK one and US, I believe. Just check in the description if it's available or not. I will include all the links in there, but let's show you how it works. It's a 2-pack. What's this in here? It's a manual. Whoops. So that's how it looks like. Whoops. Let's keep it under the light. This is what fell out from there. So we got 2 of these plugs in here. That's how it looks like. It's a smart plug. That's the on-off switch. I have done reviews on similar things before. It's really cool stuff, guys. You can control it through the internet or locally through the LAN. So let's see if there's anything else in here. I think it's pretty much empty. Yep, there's nothing else in here. I'm just checking. Yeah, nothing else. So I don't need to check 2 of them. So I'll put just one away and check this one. Well, just a simple design, really. Oh. I don't know why anyone will do that, but it's like one person presses this one. It's on! No, it's off! Whoops, no. If this turns off, then this can't go on, so yeah. But anyway, right, so I'm going to connect this up and then I will show you how to connect this. I believe this is the manual. I hope that's going to use the same program that mine did. Let's see. I'm gonna look through this and then I will come back to it and show you how to connect this up and how to use it. Well, guys, I ran into a small pickle in here that took me like almost 3 hours to connect this, but don't worry, it's not that difficult. It's simply because I have an old tablet. It's a Nexus 7, I believe. And even though it has the exact Android system that is compatible, it's still not compatible. So I couldn't download it from the Google, App Store. And yeah, it's just a nightmare, okay? But if you have a later device, you should have no problem. So this one is connected up. I will show you how it works. And then I will pair the other one up on the video so you will see how the process works. So I got a light in here. Let's turn this light in here so you can actually see it. Wait, that you can't see this. There we go, you can see this, right? So we connect this in here. There we go. You can press it manually. Click on, click off. Or you can do it through the tablet. The app is called Smart Life. I will show you in a second. So this is the controller. We push this. We push this, I said. I don't know what it's doing. There we go. And off. Yeah, you see this device, it's a little bit laggy, so that was the problem I was having. But see, there we go. It clicks on and off. I don't know. It's lagging, but it works, okay? Like I said, it's the device problem. So let's try one more time. Click on. There we go. Click off. So I'm gonna connect the other one up right in front of you so you see how it works. Let's take this out, take this out, put the other one in here, like so. So what you need to do with this, yeah, it's a little bit messy in here, but that's okay. So it's actually went into bearing mode automatically. See the blinking? You're not supposed to actually do this. Okay, well, it's blinking. Otherwise, if it doesn't blink like this, you have to hold the button down until it starts blinking. Then in here we go into, we go back in here, I believe. Then we click add new device, that icon in the corner. It's sluggish, like I said, so. So the next screen is this, add manual. You select socket from here. It says see flashing. You click yes, confirm it's flashing. Then you need to insert your wireless password and the network name, and then you simply click confirm. And then it does this circle thing in here. I'll just leave it to do its thing. It shouldn't take too long. Yeah, see, it already turned off, which means it's doing something. So just wait it out. It's not going to take more than like a minute. And it's done. At least it says it's done. So There's a socket in here. I'm gonna rename this to let's call it yeah, it says socket 2 already. Whatever, it's done. I'm gonna keep it as it is. Okay, cancel. Done. Okay. And now if we click this, then this should be also paired. Let's try this. Let's click this in here. Yeah, this is a big cluster fudge because I have like this is a UK one to EU, then this is EU, then this is EU to UK. That's an UK one. But anyway, there we go, and it works. You see the light came on in there. There we go, and it's off. So this is how you pair this up. This is how these blocks look like. Whoops, I accidentally clicked it, but it comes in 2. Check in the description. You will see what kind of blocks you have, the options, the different, things. There's also UK versions, I believe, like I said before. So it's pretty straightforward, like I showed you. So just make sure you have a compatible device. And if you don't want to listen to this, you can click away already. The review is done. But I just want to explain that I don't understand why people force you to use these new kind of devices. I'm not gonna pay like 500 or 1,000 euros every time to buy a new phone or a new tablet just to run a stupid app that actually works on it. They just list it out so people force you to buy a new tablet. And the way I got it working is that I downloaded it from from some archive website. I downloaded that app and I installed it through a third-party installer, and it works. It's a bit sluggish, bit slow, but it works. So why do you have to get in people's way? Like, oh no, you can't download this. It doesn't work on this one, but it does work. I just demonstrated. Nexus 7 2012 works. But anyway, guys, here you have this awesome blog thing, the smart blog, and I will see you next time.